Hey y'all, welcome back to Wax's Place. I'm your boy Wax Panther. You see what we got here, ambiance flowing. So let's get busy on this lemon drop. First thing I like to do is grab that lemon and give it a nice good roll to release them juices on the inside and get it bussin'. Then we're gonna cut off 2 pieces of that peel. One for the garnish and one for the flair. Cut that lemon in half. And then we're gonna grab our 10 shakers. Grab your vodka and your jigger. That's with a J, y'all. Gonna go 2 ounces of the vodka. And then we're gonna go 1 ounce of that simple syrup. Next, grab that citrus squeezer, and we're gonna juice that whole lemon in there. Make sure you got one hand on top, because with that peel cut, she is a squirter, and she'll get you. Next, we're gonna grab our ice. I like mine's crushed, y'all. And don't worry, my hands are clean, and this drink is for me. Put that tin together, bop bop to lock it in place. Give it a good shake for about 10 seconds. You see the technique. Bop bop, loosen that tin up. And grab your chilled glass. Cut another lemon, and we're gonna apply some of that juice to the rim. Apply your sugar. Grab your Hawthorne strainer and your fine mesh strainer. Hawthorne strainer keeps the ice in the tin. Fine mesh strainer keeps the seeds and the pulp out your drink. Next, we're gonna grab one of those peels and we're gonna heat it up to release some of them oils. Here's our flair. Bam. Grab that other peel, cut a little sliver off for our garnish. At this moment, twist and drop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's give it a taste. There it is. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go kick my feet up and catch you on the next one.